Do you know that there are some beverages and other liquid substances that you should avoid before going to bed? If not, you should learn about them. Because of the impact that these beverages can have on the hormones that are responsible for regulating sleep. It is possible that drinking them will make it difficult for you to fall asleep or keep you up all night. Because of this, they are considered to be unhealthy. Today, we are going to take a look at some of the beverages that you should avoid consuming in the hours leading up to going to bed. What kinds of beverages should you avoid consuming in the hours before you go to bed at night? 1. Sugary beverages or carbonated drinks should not be taken before bedtime. The reason for this is that consuming these beverages can cause an increase in your glucose level, which in turn keeps your organs working while you sleep. It's possible that falling asleep will be difficult for you if your kidneys and other organs are working overtime during the night. In addition to this, you might urinate a lot in an effort to flush the glucose out of your system. 2. Because they have the potential to keep you awake for the entirety of the night, coffee and other caffeinated beverages should not be consumed in the hours leading up to bedtime. Drinking caffeinated beverages such as coffee, as reported in a study, will prevent your eyes from falling asleep and causing you to have a less productive day overall. Caffeinated drinks include 3. Alcoholic beverages may seem like a good option for people who frequently consume them. However, it has been demonstrated that alcoholic beverages are capable of destroying the quality of your sleep. It is possible that drinking alcohol will cause you to fall asleep. But the quality of that sleep will never be good because you will likely have to get up several times during the night to urinate. Additionally, drinking alcohol can cause hangover symptoms such as headaches, vivid dreams, and even the need to get up at certain times because of the pain.